So that's it. Hopefully now you have an understanding of how to record yourself in Ableton Live. Go ahead and get some practice with it. Take another listen to the chapters if things don't make sense. And if you need any help, please, please, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. I'm here to make this process as painless as possible. Now, to show me what you've learned, this is the cool part. When you feel comfortable, when you feel confident enough and have recorded something that you're proud of, go ahead and submit it to me. Be sure to mention in the subject that you took the course and send me something that's at least 8 bars long. Now, I'm going to take all of the submissions. I'll be sure to reply to everybody and let you know how I honestly feel about the track. But in addition to that, every couple of weeks or so, all of those submissions are going to get entered into a really cool contest that we'll talk about one-to-one. So again, thank you for your time. I really hope you learned something from the course. I really, really hope you go on to be more creative and more adventurous in your recording. And if there's any way I can help you going forward, you know where to find me. Peace, love, much success. I'm out.